In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend in FireAlpaca. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. I'm going to show you two of them, which I do think are the easiest for beginners. So what you want to do, you want to go up here to the top left and select this brush, of course. And then you want to go to the bottom here where you see brushes, and we're going to select a specific brush called watercolor. Now over here, if this is small for you, you can just go and drag it up like this to make it a bit bigger. Now click on over here, and then you can just search for whatever you want. I'm going to type in water, and here you have the watercolor. So we're going to pick this over here, and now the trick here is going to be, as you can see, this is the brush editor over here. You can leave this like it is. So when you click on it, the trick here is going to be to actually change its size and lower its opacity. So if I go to the top over here like this, for example, it's going to make it bigger. So now it's like this big, as you can see. You can make it as big as you want. I'm just going to have it like that, okay? Then here, when it comes to opacity, you have to put this to maybe like 20 or maximum of 30%. You could go even lower if you want to. You'll see why in a second. So I'll leave it at 20 right now. And now, as you can see, it's not as prominent. Now to actually blend, you want to first go and select the first color. So I'm going to select red in this instance, which I have selected already like this. And I'm just going to go and do some red color over here. And then I'm going to go and choose a different one. For example, it's going to be like yellow over here. And then I'm going to do it over here next to it. So as you can see, it's yellow. If I go towards it, I can use this to kind of blend colors. As you can see, it's blending through quite nicely. And of course, you can make it as smooth as you want. And yeah, color mixing level over here. You could also change these things if you want to, okay? That's the first way to actually blend in FireAlpaca quite easily. Then the second one is going to be using the smudge tool, okay? So this may not be as convenient, but still it's possible. So let me actually put down some yellow color over here just so you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. There we go. Now you can go and select the smudge tool, which is of course in here as well. So you want to go and click on clear, and you want to type in smudge with your brush selected. Then click on the smudge tool to actually, of course, enable it once. And then from here, as you can see, this won't allow you to actually draw anything because smudge is not really a brush, it's a tool. So you want to go, and wherever you have your colors, you'll be able to kind of blend them together like this. So you can just click and drag, and as you can see, this will kind of allow you to blend colors as well. And of course, you can do this. Now, it's quite messy when you're doing this for the first time, but you'll get used to it. And this could also help you blend, of course, some specific parts of your creations, okay? So those are the two ways to blend. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.